Goodbye, old friends. You guys were good to me. But I just see no point in having you if I'm gonna have the new shoe that is on the way. You are going to a good home. My brother is gonna take very good care of you. Look at that. Very dope shoe. Only rocked you once, but you were very good to me. I'm gonna put you in this replacement box and send you to your new home. Goodbye, fellas.
Y'all be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, to quote the great Bullet RC, this right here is a delayed W. Alright? So, I originally came on here in the previous video and said I didn't hit on these. But Nike had a bit of a restock. And I got lucky. Normally when they restock, I am asleep over here and I miss it, right? Because it's real late at night or it's about 7 or 8 o'clock in the States, so I usually miss them. But for whatever reason, they restocked it early and I just happened to catch it and the size 14 was available. So I said, yeah! And I was able to cop. So, let me go ahead and get the shank. Wasn't too anxious and I didn't go ahead and jump into these before. Which way is the bottom? As you can see, Nike tape. I think this is the top. Somebody tried to get in here, man. Somebody tried to get in my joint, it looked like. Go ahead, give another one. Boom, rip there. And we gonna actually, cool, we just go ahead and throw that out of there. And then we get that up out the way. Boom. Yes, sir. Yes. My favorite box, because you all know Big Roth, proud member of the Lebron gang. All right, so let's go ahead and get these out of here. Get that box. Bam. Do we have a receipt for all the receipt boys? Yes, we do. This is the receipt for all the receipt boys out there. All right. Once again, Lebron 7 box. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lebron 7 box. Boom. Get some of that. Get some of that in your life. All right. Now these are the Nike LeBron 7 Quick Strike. All right. Colorway is white metallic gold. All right. And size 14, of course. Right there for you all. All right. So let's just go ahead and get into these, man. I haven't looked at them. I haven't looked at them yet. This is my first time seeing them along with you all. It's my first time seeing them in person, so let's go ahead and get into it. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Left shoe first, baby. Yeah. Whoo. Bron gang, baby. Bron gang. Alright? These are the Lebron. The Lebron. LeBron 7 China Moon. Whew. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. You know what was perfect about this whole thing? And you might see this in a video. You might see this in this video, but when I got these, I was able to get rid of the Jordan 11 low. I forget what those things are called, but I got rid of the gold Jordan 11 lows that I had, and I gave them to my brother. Sold them to my brother, and I just didn't feel like I needed to have those 11 lows and these LeBrons. And you all know, if I have to pick between the two, it's Bron gang. It's Bron gang. All right. So those are both gold shoes. They almost look identical in this region of the shoe, but I didn't need to have both of those two shoes. I know some people was like, man, just keep both. Why don't you just keep both shoes? But I need to have two of the exact same shoes that look alike as far as this area. I didn't need both. And my brother wanted those 11, so went ahead and let him have those. But these are just too sweet that I'm not going to miss those Jordan 11 lows at all. You know what I mean? Look at these shoes, man. Look at the Bron gang. Whew. LeBron logo there. Dang, man. You got your L on the back there. Let me get this paper out of here, man. Boom. Chinese writing. I'm not even going to pretend like I know what the writing says, but look at the detail. Let me try to get closer for you all. Look at the details of this shoe. Look all around here, man. Look at the details going around the shoe. Yo, this is nuts. Look at the details. Are you all able to see these details of this shoe going all around here? And all throughout there. Look at the details. And then you can see more of the Chinese writing. I'm assuming that this is similar to what we see here with the 2-3. I'm assuming these are the same things there, just in the Chinese writing. You got LeBron's initials, of course, on the lace tips there. I like the gold eyelets at the top. These, man, this is just a sweet shoe, man. They executed this one well. LeBron signature there on the tongue, gold on the back of the tongue. Oh man, look at that bottom. Look at that bottom, man. We got James here at the front there. You got James. So you know, if we got an L here and a James there, you know what we gotta do? We gotta check out the right boy. Let's go ahead and pull out the right boy. Right shoe second. Feels like it's been a long time since I did a right shoe second, but here it is. All right. So you got your LeBron on the front here, and then you got your J on the back there. Also on the front of the right boy, in front of the right boy, you got your 20, and on the left you got your 3. All right. Now beyond that, these are the exact same. There's no additional details on this shoe. Boom. You see it. You see it. All right, man, this is a very dope colorway, man. Very dope. Very dope colorway. LeBron's initials again on the side of the shoe there and on the side of the right one. we can go ahead and get the right boy out of here. Put the right boy in the back. But man, just amazing. This is an amazing shoe, man. This is an amazing shoe. Look at the air unit, clear air unit, and then you got the gold on the inside. Man, very dope. I normally don't like the white bottom on shoes, but you know, this gold I feel like breaks it up pretty evenly. Man, hold up. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Definitely a dope shoe. Glad that Nike restocked and I was able to go back and get my size in these. Man, you know, without a shadow of a doubt, these get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, baby. Glad I was able to get these. But that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for leaving comments. Even if you're cracking jokes and trying to troll me, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you tuning in. More content is on the way. More Bron Gang is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.